So I've got the axle out. This is the problem. It is an MOT. So that essentially needs to go there. It's normally quite a pain to get these things on, but hey ho, that's what we're here to do. Back in a moment. Well, it's going to be tough going. I'm going to start implementing some tools, but I've put a plastic bag over there so that the oil that I've used to kind of lubricate it will actually help it slide on a bit easier. And then yes, well, it's going to be tough going. Well, it's on there. I used Dr. Pepper bottle and a bit of oil to slip it on, and a plastic bag. Now I'm going to take all that off, turn the boot the right way around, and clip it up. Yeah, so it's on. I've got to cut it here because this bit here is a bit where the strap goes. This is a universal one, so yeah. And then I'm going to take the grease out of the old one, stick inside before I strap it up. Well, it's on there, although I did put a cable tie on that one because I couldn't get the clamp to clamp in properly. That's it, the boot has been changed. Now all I've got to do is put it back together. Well, there it is. It's in place. Now, put the wheel on, jack it down, take it for a drive. Now, as you can see, I broke the bolt off there. So I've come around here and I've put a nut and bolt through it. And to keep my spanner on the nut, I put a little bit of tape on there. That's not moving about anymore. It was rattling on the, I don't know if you can see that. You can see that bit there, that's where it's rattling on there. I can see my exhaust is starting to get holes in it. I might need a new back box next year. Yay.